If the rubber in me can touch a rubber in you, and the rubber in you can touch a rubber in me, and the rubber will be, it's gonna set us free. So we could bring out the rubber, bring out the rubber, bring out all the rubber in you. If the lover in you can touch a lover in me, and the lover in me can touch a lover in you, and the lover will bring sweet harmony. So we could bring out the love, bring out all the love in me. My love is deeper than the ocean. Our love is in near that sweet devotion. Come along, because you have the potion to bring out the love in you, and I could bring out the love in you. If the lover in you can touch a lover in me, and the lover in me can touch a lover in you. Oh yeah. Love and respect. This is Billyboy, the Jamaican Cowboy. Thanks for your support all the time. Love. Bless up.